welcome back. So currently it's been a little odd. Let's turn this one off because I am redoing my area. I have a new light, and so I haven't recorded yet because I'm in the middle of setting everything up over there. And yeah, so it's been a lot. We're going to try to use my other camera, and it's only half set up right now. But I walked out this morning when I took my daughter to work to this humongous box, and I thought, oh my goodness, this has got to be my witch casket. And I popped it open just to double check it is, but I have no idea why it's in the box it is or why it is. And it says up here fragile, and then all this is crushed. So I'm hoping everything in the box comes out okay. And I thought, hey, I'll just set up real quick and we'll pop it on and I will unbox it and we'll see what we get. So I was working at trying to do 5 to 6 videos a week. And after I got my new setup and my new keyboards and everything, and I cleaned that area, and I actually got both my monitors hooked up. Well, I'm using a TV as a monitor at the moment, but that's neither here nor there. I didn't get around to recording since Christmas, so I hope your guys' holidays were fantastic. It's a new year, and let's see what it brings. I believe this should be my December box. But if you don't know, Witch Casket is a UK subscription, and it ships out at the end of the month. And yeah, I'm excited to see what I got in there. Of course, in the box as well, there was a small box. So let's see if it's a bonus. I know January's box, we get a bonus. So I will sit it down here and pop it open. So December's... This is the book you get. So it's the UK. This is a Witch Casket. The Witch Casket. Words fail me. Witch Casket is to ship it to me in the United States is almost $50. But if you're in the UK, it's like only going to be like 30 to 35 bucks. But it is a nice. It does send a lot of essential items. It does do rituals, whereas I don't do very many rituals. It does send actual ritual like in pouches where you can actually do rituals. And if you're one of those people that sounds interesting, this is a really good box for that. My other witch boxes don't do any of those. They send you crystals and incense, and you kind of, but this one actually sends little pouches of rituals or an emergency one on the go. This is actually Candle Magic for December of 2020. I know it's the new year and I just got it, but with everything going on, I'm not surprised it took a little bit, but it does look like it's going to be a nice little thing, and each item is in here and it tells you a brief description. But without further ado, we're going to pop open the box, check it out, and then we will look at the other item that was shipped alongside the box. I guess it goes with this box since it does say Candle Magic, and the actual box says candle, has the same kind of motif. It goes with this box. So the first thing I see is a beautiful artwork of a hand with a candle. That's really nice. So there's that item. I will try to get this stuff like laid out where you can see it. I got new bedding. I got all kinds of new stuff for Christmas, so it's kind of been chaotic. Ooh, and then there's a nice little canvas pouchet with a candle on it. I do like these. They give you the ability to put like longer candles in if you want to store that, or if you want to do any kind of workings. I mean, there's a lot of things you can do with that. This says that it is a positively candle ritual pouchet. So everything should be in here for you to do it. Let me see if I can pop it open. without ripping too much because I'd like to reseal it. Since I don't do the rituals as much, I do keep everything in these pouches in case I feel like doing it at a later point. Ooh, that's kind of nice. So let's pull it all out. And then I will get the informational booklet and we will look through it as I put it back. So this says High Priestess. And it does have the positivity ritual thing right here. And in it, it says that you will get a white spell candle for power, which I got. Mint for energy and majorum. So that's what's in the pouches. And dude, I can smell that mint. So mint and majora. And then the spell candle holder. So this is actually glass, and you could probably use it many times other than this one. And then it has what you do at the bottom of this. So that is what came in that. That's no. Let's discuss this. Let's talk. You do not want to rip up my little. Thank you. So that's nice. It gives you a lot of other things, and I mean, that's a lot of herb. So, I mean, you could do this more than once. You'd have to buy little white candles because they only send you one. But, I mean, this is a spell that you could put a couple extra candles in that and stick it wherever you might need a positive energy candle ritual. The next item in here is a Christmas blend of loose tea. Now, I have used their teas before. I'm going to tell you, they're really nice. I went camping and I had like their morning something tea, and the first box I got, they sent that with the tea infuser with the jasper in. The videos are in there somewhere. You just hunt for it, you'll find it. And we went camping and I drank that tea almost every morning. It was absolutely great out in the cold of early fall in the middle of freaking upper Michigan. But in this, they say it has luxury ingredients is black tea and vegan candy. And then it has cinnamon clove, jasmine petals, natural flavors. Well, it smells a little bit of clove and mint, so the vegan candy must have had a little bit of mint. But either way, there's that, and that's nice. The informational booklet I'm going to hold on to for a minute because some of this stuff I'm going to probably need. And then we got the Hocus Pocus little lapel pen. You get one of these in every single one for, and I like them. They're really nice, high quality. The next item in here is a tea light candle set. And there's 2 tea candles in here, one white and one black. And then it does say something in here. Let's open this up and look at it. Shall we? There's a thing on the back of this. So it says white is for purity and brings peace, and black is for protection and removes hexes. So it kind of gives you an idea what you could use them for. I'm more of a natural witch, so I just use what I feel I need to at that particular time, but I do know a lot of people need a little bit more guidance. The next item in here is I am the worst at saying rocks and gems names. This is a very nice stone for cleansing, for calming yourself, and for dream enhancements. Even if my little thing does not say that, but it is. It will help clarify dreams. So if you're trying to get a message in a dream using one of these with some of your stones under your pillow or wherever you put them, or if you center yourself before bed, one of these will help make your dream more clear, and if there's a message, it will help bring that across better. And that stone. They're relatively small stones. I mean, not usually in this box, but getting one of those is... What is all this? A candle snuffer. Oh, that's a really nice one, too. I mean, they gave me one last month, but this is a really nice one as well. They send really nice quality stuff for the cost that it cost me to ship it. I mean, that's kind of nice. There's like little things all over. Oh, look, little candies with moons in them. I don't know how that comes across. I'm sure that these are like probably mint. Everything in this seems minty. There is a little, this actually like glass, and it's got a pentagram in it with some circles. That is neat. Almost like what you would put a mug on. Cotton pouch. Yeah, it says it's slate. That's what it feels like. So there's that. And then this little item down here is, I don't know what this is. Lemongrass triquatro wax melts. Oh, I know what it is. I was all confused. See if I can open this without hurting too much of the... I mean, I'm gonna rip it a little bit, but... This should be a waxy melt, and oh, I can smell that one. And it is a triquatro. These are so pretty. So, I absolutely like getting them. They're like little pieces of wax that you put in a wax burner, and they'll melt, and then they smell like the flavor. This is the second one they've sent me before, and they're decorative, so you almost are afraid to actually use them because you don't want to ruin the decorative part of them. But I understand, seeing what's beside me, why they would send that. And then at the bottom of this, other than the peanuts, is my parchment scroll. Which, let me open this real quick so that you guys can see it, and then we'll head into the big peanut box and pull out the rest. But yeah, we get one of these in every one, and it's just a lot of different ideas or information about different stuff. So there's that. Woohoo! And I do keep all my scrolls. Okay, so let me dump out the peanuts in my box. Here with the rest of the peanuts. We will pack all this stuff back in this box. Quite a bit of stuff. Hold on. I don't want to break my slate thing. Or chip it. Okay. And then the last item is actually the item in the box. It's a oil burner by Casket. It is an exclusive. They like their packing peanuts a lot. And it's the kind that is the tea leaf infused, which is why you got so many tea candles. But you put a little tea light in here, and then you put the wax on here, and it lights it up. I think it's super cute. I have an electric one, but this one is super cute, especially as a decorative piece. I'm glad mine shipped without any cracks or chips, because the black enamel, it will really show up on. But yeah, that's the last item for this box. Now, I do, like I said, enjoy getting this box. I do all kinds of unboxings, from beauty unboxings, even though I don't wear a whole lot of makeup. And I know I probably should, but I don't wear a whole lot of makeup. So I do all kinds of unboxings. I've tried different boxes over the past year, and I probably will try more. I don't think I got anything else in this packing peanuts. A whole lot of packing peanuts. Like a whole lot of packing peanuts. Like, oh, this box just fell apart. Holy crap, I don't want all these packing peanuts everywhere. Oh, let's see. A lot of packing peanuts. You want to ship some stuff? We got some packing peanuts. And yes, it's a really big box full of packing peanuts. But, I do gaming videos as well. We will have a couple more things changing before I get my area set up. And after it gets set up, maybe I will stream. But for the most part, I do unboxings and gamings, and I try to get them up as often as possible. But that is all I have today. And I hope the new year started off great for you, everyone out there, because mine did. Kind of took a relaxing day. That's all I got. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. I heart your face. Bye.